I've got plugs in there.
It's submerged. I hope it's not leaking.
I hope not. That's 8 gallons of water, and we only have a 5-gallon bucket.
Right.
Today we're jumping back into the bathroom project. The first thing you have to do is put this channel for the glass on the wall. Alright, just cleaned off this side to get some of the thin set off it, but yeah, it looks good. Alright, just got 8 more rows, 4 of the wider ones, and then 4 each of the smaller ones. So that should get us up to almost this first outlet right there for the handheld.
Sorry.
That's alright.
Babies can be choosers for assistance here.
Fire the hell.
I don't even work here.
I don't even work here. What makes it so hard? I don't even work here. We're at a good stopping point. Got another 8 rows, almost 2.5 feet done, so I've got to get my hole saw. This actually ends up almost perfect in the next tile, so we'll get that cut out and finish that row and then continue up.
We're trying to configure where our niches are going. So we need to cut out and place them. And we wanted them to line up.
With the grout line over there,
Yeah.
so hopefully we don't have to cut a tile on the top or bottom.
We have 2 of these to put in.
Yeah, and then one above. I think that's a good height, right?
Yeah, I think so.
And the other one will be somewhere like this. That's too tall or no?
No, I think that's good.
We don't want to take down a tile more. Like that.
Is that too low?
I don't know. Or is that too... That doesn't seem too low. I mean, a bathtub's like down here, right?
Yeah, it doesn't seem that low.
No.
And then the top one wouldn't be too high for me.
Right.
I could see me dropping a bottle on my head by accident.
Yeah. Right there.
It's right here. Sure that's level.
I think that's much better.
Yeah.
Yeah, seems a lot easier.
that in the center of there?
Okay, we're set up to do this, start the second wall. We're gonna see if we can get maybe 7 rows. That'll get us up to that bottom body spray. I've got 4 rows pre-cut, the left and right. So Jamie's gonna back butter those. See how far we can get tonight. The laser makes a huge difference. Keeping things level and straight. All right, we're a third done. So now we gotta cut, need an 1 3/4 inch hole saw, which I don't have, to cut that out for the body spray and the second body spray. So we're at a good stopping point. Grab those tomorrow and see if we can get 2/3 of the way up the wall. All right, we get the 1 3/4 inch hole cut out for this first body spray. I got the curdy membrane around the niches. And yeah, we're gonna try to get another 7 or 8 rows up today. Well, I didn't film it, but we got the quarter round on. I thought it would be clever and put a piece of masking tape here and then be able to peel it off. But as you can see, it didn't work out so well. So I'm gonna have to skim coat this, which is fine because I have to do these corners over here anyway. So just a little extra work, but yeah, I think the tiling is all done. Got the quarter round in all the way up. So the next thing we have to do are these 2 niches.
Those have a slight angle cut in the bottom so that they'll give in to the dip. Any professional tilers watching, please don't judge us. We're doing the best we can with what we have.
All right, how does that look?
Looks good.
I think we got the reveal kind of. Clean up my mess. The reveal's pretty consistent.
Yeah. Paul opened up the 2 body spray holes that we needed to widen a little bit.
Yep. Just getting all the.
I can't wait to use the shower. It's gonna be like a car wash.
Squeeze out the back. There, I think that's
Good?
Yep, that's about 1/8 of an inch front to back.
That's good,
Same at
right?
the bottom, yeah, it should shed water. Yeah, these are identical.
Shed water, but leave the soap bottles where they need to be.
Yep. This is gonna be good.
Yeah, looks pretty good. Putting the first sheet in. Hopefully it's going the right way.
Hope so.
Yeah, I think so. It looks like it.
Find out real quick. Oh yeah, it's squishing through. That's probably perfect actually.
He has his headphones on, he can't.
There we go.
Number 2. Going through.
All right, the grouting's all done. We have to throw some silicone caulk in the corner here. And, you know, every place there's the change of plane, but we also have to clean up these, the backs of these niches too, but we're not going to bore you with that. So there it is. We'll show you the finished product once we get everything caulked and cleaned up tomorrow. All right, there it is. I think everything's done. I'm gonna let it dry and check it out. I'll retouch up anything that needs it, but yeah, it should be watertight at this point.